Racing just is started. We have some like it hot. Break quickly to start. Mikey's is down on the inside. Daredevil. Big Bang Bong in the middle portion. Windy Wind. Tabel comes next. Yellowstein. Then followed over by number 8 Babes Magic. Europa comes next. Alice's Touch. Then followed over by Wonderlab while Sing a Song is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Daredevil, the leader, by our length and a half. Some like it hot in second, Big Bang Bong, and on the outside comes Windy Wind. Mikey's is racing in fourth, then comes entry number 8, and this one is Babes Magic. Then next on line is Yellowstein, moving up Europa, Tabel, Alice's Touch, Wonderlab, second less, while Sing a Song is still running at the tail of the field. Inside at Tres Octavo, we have some like it hot, now takes command, moving up now on the outside is Big Bang Bong. Mikey's is down on the inside, Windy Wind comes next, Babes Magic, Yellowstein, Europa comes next, and Diana went there in the home stretch. We have Mikey's, some like it hot in the middle, Big Bang Bong on the outside as they swing for home. Mikey's by our length and a half, some like it hot in second, then on the outside is Big Bang Bong, Yellowstein. Last 75 meters, we have Mikey's followed by Big Bang Bong, Yellowstein, and finally the program opener for 2012, Mikey's. Second is Big Bang Bong, then comes number 2 Yellowstein, some like it hot, Wonderlab, and number 9 Europa.
Pangilan niya, Madi, yun, Coach?
Segunda.